Hello, my name is Sarah Weasel, and today we will be going over epithelial and connective tissue. To start, we have connective tissue. The cell types present in connective tissue are fibroblasts, mast cells, histamine, and macrophages. Fibroblasts secrete the matrix and fibers. Mast cells secrete heparin and it prevents clotting. Histamine keeps matrix fluid and brings in nutrients and oxygen and dilutes toxins. Macrophages and other cells can wander and function in response to injury. Next, we have the matrix and the structure of connective tissue. It has few cells that are widely spaced with large amounts of interstitial fluid. It has a background material called the matrix, and embedded in the matrix are fibers and cells. The matrix in connective tissue can be semi-fluid and gelatinous, as in CT proper, firm but flexible, as in cartilage, and solid, as in bone. The function of connective tissue: it connects, supports, forms framework of many organs, stores fat, aids in production of blood cells, aids in defense against infection, and initiates repair. Now you may ask, where is the connective tissue found? The connective tissue is found everywhere in the body, but mainly in the nervous system and the spinal cord. How does the structure of connective tissue relate to its function? Since connective tissue is thin and flexible, it allows for movement throughout the body without breaking and damaging the body. Next up, we have epithelial tissue. The cell shapes in epithelial tissue are squamous, cuboidal, and columnar. Squamous cells are flat, cuboidal cells are cube-shaped, and columnar cells are rectangular and cube and column-shaped. Pretty self-explanatory. The layers in epithelial tissue: simple and stratified. Simple meaning that there is only one layer, and stratified meaning that there are two or more layers. The function of epithelial tissue: protection, secretion, absorption, and excretion. It also covers and lines surfaces and forms protective barriers that function in secretion, absorption, and excretion. Where is epithelial tissue found? Epithelial tissue is found in all body surfaces, body cavities, and hollow organs. How is the structure of epithelial tissue relate to its function? Epithelial tissue is bound together with several sheets of tissue, which is good because if one layer of the tissue gets destroyed or infected, there will be more tissue layers and more tissue cells to protect the toxins from entering your body.